Welcome back to Ended Trading on YouTube, and today's video is called What is the best CFD broker for beginners? And I'm going to be reviewing Trade Nation today, and I'm going to be showing you the platform, how easy it is to use, everything about the company and everything you need to know. And just a sneak peek of what I'm going to go through. I'm going to be showing you the platform, which is so easy to use. Here is the Trade Nation platform. Now, when you're starting out trading, you want something easy, you want it less complicated. Now, if you see a video that I just made yesterday of FX Pro, which is a really good broker too, but this is their platform. So you don't start out with the Formula One car. You need to start out on learning on something simpler like Trade Nation. Okay. This is the Formula One, and they even sponsor one of the Formula One teams. Now, I just set up this demo account about 30 minutes ago, and it's so easy. It only took 2 minutes to set up. And if you want to get one of these demo accounts, and it's a practice money, is available funds of 10,000. I leave a link in the description, and you can sign up through there. It's my partner link, and you support my work for free. You see, I already put on a trade there, and I'll be showing you that later on in the video. So Trade Nation offers a user-friendly trading app for web and mobile, which is innovative platform that is ideal for novice traders of CFDs. However, seasoned traders might feel that Trade Nation does not provide some of the advanced features that the best trading platforms have. Now, as I showed you on FX Pro, it has all of the features, but even on Trade Nation, they have tools, and I'll be showing you that later on, but it's best for beginners to start off here. As you can see, the platform and the broker is less intimidating for beginners. So let's just go over a little bit more. So trade your favorite markets easily and affordable, okay? And Trade Nation has highly competitive fixed spreads, so low fixed spreads that remain constant. And you can check on our website for the different prices, or actually you can even download this sheet here, and this is the updated market spread prices. So you can see them there. Okay, you can check that at any time on the website. Also, they have access to over 1,000 markets globally in one account, which is brilliant. Okay, a choice of platforms to trade on. So you've got a choice of three different platforms. You have leverage. When you're a beginner, you should be careful of leverage because there's possibility to increase your profits, but also possibility to increase your losses. And user-friendly and thoughtful design. As I said, it's very user-friendly, and I really like the color of it too. The Trade Nation, established in 2014, is a brand of the FINSA investment litigate with regulatory licenses from various jurisdictions, including the FCA in the UK, ASIC in Australia, the FSCA in South Africa, and SCB in Bahamas, which does the worldwide. It offers an easy-to-use trading platform for your web and mobile, suited for beginners, especially for CFD trading. So you're fully regulated all over the world. So let's just look at Trade Nation now over on Trustpilot and see some of the reviews people are saying. So best Forex broker for indices and CFDs. So 100% legit firm with the best order execution quality, best index CFD quotes in the industry, great platform, highly regulated, great support. This is a broker that is supposed to exist only in a utopian world. And it's got a 4.7 rating, which is very good. Service and support, really good, 5 stars there. The customer service was top notch. Okay, the chat support is very helpful. Trade Nation is simple and regulated and clear trading platform with superior services. For me, the best spread betting or spread trading platform. So Trade Nation is willing to call me and go through details of questions, which was great. And when you set up a demo account, you can even request a call from them here. It'll pop up here to request a call, and they will call you to help you out, or you can chat or send them an email too. And remember, my link in the description is my partner link. If you sign up through there, it doesn't cost any money, but it supports my work for free. And I can keep making videos. And I hope to make videos about how to use the platform and trading on it and etc. But I'll be showing you a little bit of that later on. Okay, so let's look at other essential features. You can earn a cash back above the 20% every month. So there's a rebate for loyal customers, okay? And it's not available in the UK and Australian accounts, but the rest of the world it is. This is very interesting too. Once you set up a live account, you get free trade signals, and I will show you that in another video. It's not on the demo account, but you do get free trade signals when you sign up to the live account. Okay, so what else do you get? So you get the free signals. So you're trading at a discounted rate, round the clock assistance, and it's uncomplicated trading system. Now you have three platforms. You have the web trading platform. That's what they recommend you start off with, the web trading platform. But they also have the MT4 platform, which is popular with forex or currency trading, and they have the mobile app too. So the Trade Nation web trading platform offers seamless trading experience. It's got a modern browser features. So I just showed you that. It's very, very modern. There you go. Easy to use. Looks easy to use. The platform stands out real-time price codes, customizable charts, and a range of technical indicators. So even though it's simple to use, you do have features there and one-click trading, etc. And you have lots of features there, and I'll show you that now. If you come to the platform here, so you can see I already opened a trade there. So I bought on the US tech. So that's the NASDAQ 100. So I put in a buy position. I'm up $8 there. And if I want information about that, I can even just go to the quick charts, and you can move these charts around yourself. It's very easy to use, and you can make them bigger or smaller, and you can change the layout of how you wish you'd like it. And if you just click in here, you can see here, this is the order where you can edit your order, and you can also move that around wherever you like on the screen and set it up the way you want it. So you can see here that there is, you can expand this too and make it bigger. Okay, so there is lots of features here too, and you have all the tools here where you can draw lines, etc. And you can even buy and sell off the chart. So here you can see here, I can buy and sell. I can put in one order there, and I can set it to buy at 13,100. And then you can set your limit on stop loss and limit, and then you just click buy, and that will buy at that price. So it's at 13,120 there. So you can see here, I put in two orders there, and you can edit your orders here too. You can change their stop loss. You can move this around and change your stop loss, or even close the trade, etc. So you can go in and edit that there on the chart. Or you can even just close it there. So if I want to close that, I can take the profits there. So very easy to use. And you can see here all of the markets. You can move things around. You can change it up the way you wish to have it. Have the charts there. You can move this up and just have the chart here, etc. Whatever you wish to do. You can see here all the popular markets here. So you have all the forex markets, the currency trading, you have indices, currency trading, shares in the US, shares in the UK, European shares, your bonds, energy, metals. So you click in there, you can see here you have copper, gold, etc. Everything you need to start trading, okay? And lots of indices and even cryptocurrencies here. So let's say I wanted to trade gold. I can just click on gold here, and you click here, you want to buy or shorted market. So I click on buy, how much I want to buy, how many orders, say 12, or let's say 10. And let's say so you can set your stop loss there, you know, how many points away from the price. So let's say 100, or you can put in 10. You're trading with tight stop losses. And then all you have to do is submit. And there we go. I have put in that order. And then you can see here, the gold here, I put in that order. It's minus 58 down. It went down. But this is only a practice account, so I'm not worried about that. But that's how simple it is, guys. And if you want to look at the charts, you just come over here and you click quick charts. And you see the charts, and you can expand it or move it around on the screen, etc. Put it wherever you want. If you want to see where to trade, just click down there. Here, more information down there. And then you can move this around, and you can edit the trade whatever way you want. Then if you want to close the trades, you can just close them on the chart, or you can come down here to open in orders and click remove and confirm and close the trade like that. There's many different ways to close the trade. So that's how easy it is to use, guys. let's go back here and just check out a bit more about these platforms. So MetaTrader 4, okay, that's popular with all of the Forex traders, and you have the mobile app. So Trade Nation's mobile trading allows traders to manage their investments while on the move. So you can do your trading, place orders, do everything you need to do, even while you're on the train or at the grocery store. So some of the pros, as I said, is regulated in many countries, is best in class for ease of use. So you have the smart news feature. You can see this when you set up your account, you'll have access to all of this information and articles and useful links. And also you can manage your accounts here or just upgrade to a live account here. You can come in and manage your accounts. So you can see here I have a demo account and you can edit that whichever you want and you can launch it there. You can add a new account, add a new practice account, or you can set up a live trading account. Very easy to use. And I'll be showing you when I set up a live account, a different video. Okay, so what else do you do? Offers dollar per point default staking. And also another interesting feature about this is you can do scalping on this platform, which is opening and closing trades very quickly. So it's a different kind of style. Scalping is day trading method that entails entering and exit trades quickly. And it's also very good for day trading and swing trading. And you can learn all about that on their website. Okay, so what else? You got educational and research department. You've got the powered by chart IQ. So you have them quality charts that I showed you earlier on. You have the three platforms and you have the trading signals that I showed you. Excellent customer support. So after researching online, some of the cons people are saying is limited educational content varieties and it's not available for US clients. But this educational you can find online. Okay, there's lots YouTube videos are free and lots of websites like Investopedia is very good for new traders. Now, how about Trade Nation's trading fees? So, apart from the spread fees that I showed you earlier on, clients are not charged any fees by this company, which is brilliant, which can save traders significant amount of money. There is no deposit or withdrawal fees. Okay, and if you have an account inactive for a period of time, it doesn't cost you anything, no penalties like a lot of other brokers. So example of the spread fee would be the Great Britain to US dollar is 0.8, but that changes as I showed you. You can check on the website all the time. Euro to US has a spread of 0.6. And remember, you can just go to Trade Nation. I'll leave a link in the description. Also leave a link to my website where you can read this review in full. So what can you trade on Trade Nation? You can trade Forex, CFDs, indices, shares, commodities, futures, and bonds. So what are available trading platforms? We went through that already. So the spreads we went through. Commission, no commission on trades. So what financial? Okay, we went through that. You can have the leverage up to 200 to 1. There's no minimum deposit, which is great for beginners. And it supports several deposit currencies, as you can see there, the US, Great Britain, Euro, Australia, and Denmark, and a few other currencies there. And there's lots of, you can deposit with credit card, debit card, bank transfer, Neteller, and Skrills. And there's no withdrawal free fees either. So it's perfect for CFD traders for beginners. This was my review of Trade Nation, and the video was called What is the best CFD broker for beginners? Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. I'll see you soon on the next video. Bye bye.